Hello, my creative tribe. Welcome back. I'm Disha, and today is a special day. Not because it's my birthday, but because I am opening this box in front of you and showing you what's inside it. You guys already know what's this, but and I'm really very sorry because I have already opened it. I could not resist opening it because I have been waiting for it, and I was really excited to open it. So I have already opened it, but nevertheless I'm gonna show you what's inside. So here it goes. So first we have this letter here. This actually is words of appreciation from YouTube's CEO Suzanne. So yeah, next is this. This is what I wanted to show you, and look at the excitement and happiness in my eyes, in my voice, because I'm really happy. I'm really happy to hold it. Thanks to each one of you. And see, it not only has my name on it, it also has your name. 100,000 subscribers, which means each one of you. So this is for us. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful, and at this moment I really want to thank my husband and son, especially because they both have been a great support, my rock, my pillars of strength, and my world. Because without them I don't think that it would have been possible. I'm thankful to both of them and to each one of you. So this one is for us. A month ago I have actually posted on the community page of my YouTube about Q&A, and I received a lot of questions. So today I thought today is the best day when I should be answering all those questions. Balvinder has asked, "Hi Disha dear, congrats for being a part of IKEA movement. You have amazing ability to transform a house into home. Thank you so much. I want to know how can we decorate our kitchen and washroom area." So I think I'll be making a separate video on this topic. That would be a great way to answer this question. Other than that, right now I don't think I would be able to answer it. Now next question is asked by Mamta Srinivas. "Hi Disha, good to hear about another Q&A session. Looking forward to it. I wanted to know how was your experience at Sweden and how you got the opportunity to visit them." This is such a nice question, Mamta. Actually, going to Sweden was an amazing experience. I cannot describe it in words. Let me share the secret with you that before going to Sweden, I didn't know anything about IKEA except that IKEA is a company that is associated with furniture and home decor. Apart from that, I knew nothing about IKEA. So going to Sweden, IKEA's headquarters, and attending Democratic Design Day, their annual event, was, oh my god, it was revelation at so many levels. I got to know everything about IKEA, what IKEA is, how the company works, how they treat their employees, who the founder is, their work ethics, and lot of things. It was a great learning experience. I got to learn so many things there, and it's such a nice place as well. So I really loved it. This was an amazing experience. I keep saying that this is an unforgettable experience for me. So yeah, moving on to the next question now. So next one is asked by Parija Vasnik. "What are your hobbies, how you are so creative, and how you manage YouTube and family?" So my hobbies are actually, Parija, quite diverse. I love traveling, I love reading, I love gardening, I love art and craft, and I love painting. I love to travel a lot and explore new places, and meeting new people, know their culture, and one more thing, that I love to play with gadgets. I love to know about new technologies and about new gadgets. So next question is asked by Anita Devanhalli. "Hi Disha, my question, what was the criteria for IKEA selection? How will you earn from YouTube? How do you get ideas of decoration?" So I genuinely don't know what was the criteria, because I think that my niche is in line with them, and that's how they picked me. And apart from that, I really don't know, I genuinely don't know what was the criteria. I honestly want to answer this question. I wish I knew what was the criteria, but that's the reality. I just received an email, and let me tell you, I received the email and I thought it's some kind of a spam, so I didn't answer it. I didn't reply to that email, and I just went through it, and then I realized, no, it's some kind of invitation and I must say yes. And that's what I did, and I'm so grateful, and then I'm so glad that I did that. So yeah, I really don't know what was the criteria for selection. How well you earn from YouTube. So I have three sites linked with my same Google account. One is my blog, which is Design Decor and Disha, and I have two YouTube channels. One is in Hindi and one is in English. Earning from blog is very less, and from both my channels I am earning quite well. So it completely depends on your views and how many videos I am posting in a month, how many views I am getting on every video. So it totally depends on that. Depending on that, I'm sharing the minimum and maximum amount that I earn every month. So minimum, if I post let's say just one video in a month and get very less views, then minimum amount that I earn from all these entities, these three entities, my blog and two YouTube channels, I earn something around 25 to 30,000, and I post maximum 3 videos in a month. So, and I get average views, I earn something around 40,000. So that's about YouTube earning, but this is not the only way you earn from YouTube. There are several other ways like brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, and I'm an influencer as well. I have social media platforms where I have decent number of followers, so I earn from my social media platforms as well, and brand collaborations as well. So sometimes it's just 30 or 35,000, and sometimes it's 1 lakh figure. So it completely depends on various factors. And let me tell you, this year has been really amazing in terms of my earnings and my global reach, because I have got the opportunity to work with various brands across the world. I worked with the Swedish company, and I worked with the US company, UK company, and various other brands, and I'm really grateful about that. Thank you so much to all of you. It's because of you that, and also I'm working really hard. Now the next question. Hey Disha, just wanted to know that you are so creative. So where does this creativity come from? Thank you so much. I think this creativity comes from my mother. She is amazing. She is very creative, and she's a versatile lady, and I think I got it from her. Next question is from Nitya. I'm so excited to see you that you yourself do all stuff including drilling, painting wall with so much patience. I want to know at what point of time you got this interest in interior designing. So it's not a specific point of time when I realized that I can do everything on my own. It's since my childhood. My father raised me that way. He always encouraged me to do everything on my own, and then my husband is also same. He always encourages me to do stuff on my own. Moving on to the next question. It is asked by Smita Ray. Hi Disha, have you attended any workshop in furniture making or about the basics of furniture making? No, I haven't. As I said, I am doing it just out of passion. Now the next one. Rajinder Arora has asked, hello Disha, how you started your DIY art into YouTuber blogger? Who gave you the inspiration in doing so? Were you working somewhere and left job and started with this work? Thank you so much Rajinder for asking this question. Actually, I never planned to create videos on YouTube. I didn't know anything about YouTube. So it's only because of my clients and brands who insisted on creating some videos for their brand, for their product. So I made some videos, and those were like make kind of horrible videos. Please don't look at them. First few videos are just horrible, so I just stopped making videos. But then when I created this wall in my living room where I painted all the paintings myself, these paintings were Indian folk arts and traditional art forms. So I really wanted to document this whole journey. I already had the blog, but this time I really wanted to document this in a video form. So then I made a video and I posted it on YouTube. I got an amazing response, and that's how it gave me a boost. And then I started creating more and more content, and that's how the journey began. Abhishek Pradhan has asked, do you have any plans to extend your channel, like future projects or collaboration or any partnership with brands? I'm already working with several brands. I have done some collaborations as well, and as of now I don't have any plans, but I'm taking it as it comes. Ankita Garudi has asked your educational background. I have master's degree in computer science because I really love technology and all the gadgets. So I wanted to do computer science, and then I have several certifications as well, like in naturopathy, in yoga education, and several other computer courses. Swara Poddar has asked, hi Disha, I really like your work. Frankly, I feel your motto must be quality comes first. Yes, that's what I emphasize on. I want to know how you manage work and home with cool head, how you stay positive. So I manage home and work with cool head because I have a great family. They both are really very supportive. My husband, my son, they both are amazing. They always support me. They are always there for me. If I need their help, they're always there. And my husband, he loves cooking, so mostly on weekends he is the one who cooks, and I do my work. And my son is also very sensible and understanding, so I help him with the studies only in his exams, or when he has some difficulties or queries, or he's confused. So at that time I just help him. Otherwise he does everything on his own. So that's kind of blessing, and that's how it works. How you stay positive all the time? So I stay away from negative people, and I always remind myself that I'm here not merely to survive but to thrive. So that's the thing I always keep reminding myself. Next, Nilesh has asked, hi Disha, I love so much your blog. Like to know about you, your education. I have already shared that. How you spend your life. I was born and brought up in a small town in MP. Then for education, I moved to Indore. There I completed my graduation, post-graduation, and some certifications. After that, I got married, and then I shifted to Bangalore. And because of my husband's job, we kept moving from cities to cities, and I could not do any job because of that. And then I had baby, and I was raising him. So that's how I spent my life. And after that, now here I am. Next, Renu has asked, hi ma'am, I like all your creativity, but till now we have not seen your home tour. Please show us. I know this is the highly requested video, but my home is right now, it's actually a work in progress. So once it's all done, I'm definitely gonna share it, and let me tell you, the wait will be worth it. So please be patient. Now next question is asked by Mamta Mishra Pandey. Hi Disha, I want to know your native, like we share same Maika wala surname. Yes, I know Mishra. Your qualification, especially in art field. I'm doing it out of passion. I just love doing it, and I got it from my mother, and now I'm quite passionate about it. It has become my hobby, and I have turned that into my profession as well. Next question is asked by Deepthi. Hi Disha, please share your journey from school child to YouTuber. So I was quite bright student when I was in school, and then I wanted to be a doctor. So I wasted around 3-4 years trying to crack the medical examination, but medical entrance examination, but I didn't get through. and after that I did my graduation, post graduation, and several certification courses, and then I got married, had baby, and I was busy raising him. And then when I got time and I decided to do some work, I started working from home. I created my own blog, and slowly it started picking. I started receiving lots of brand collaboration requests, and that's how it all started. So that's all for today. I have answered almost all the questions, and yeah, that's it. So once again, thank you so much for this, and this belongs to us. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, wish you all love, luck, and sunshine. Bye bye.